Hi, writers. Welcome back. Yesterday was an amazing day, all of you getting your virtual classrooms up and running, and I saw some great community writing spaces set up for us. So now we're ready to write together. And today, writers, I want to talk to you about how writers generate ideas, things to write about. So watch me as I model thinking about an idea to write about, and then I'll invite you to try it. So writers usually think from the heart. And they think about small moments, things that are happening in their life. Or they think about things they care about, like their pets, or maybe their people in their lives, or toys. Or they think about where they are, like places they like to go in their house or outside. So today, I'm going to think about my walks. I've been thinking a lot about on my walks about springtime. And all the things I'm noticing out there that's changing and happening. So I think I'm going to do that. I'm going to get my paper and I'm going to fold it in half and I'm going to get started writing a book about my walks in springtime. Do you see how I did that, writers? I thought about a small moment or something I care about and I decided to write about it. Now it's your turn. I'm going to get my pen ready and I'm excited to get started. I can't wait to see what you decide to write about today. Happy writing. Bye, writers.